All right, good evening, everybody. Today is May 1st. I wanted to wish everybody a happy May 1st, and I hope everybody's month is off to a fantastic start. And I wanted to share something really exciting with everybody tonight. This is something that if you are a entrepreneur or small business owner or someone who does like type of gig works like your hairstylist or real estate agent, or you do anything where you file a 1099 with your tax return, this is a very important video for you to watch, and I want you to make sure you have all the right information just so you can get started today and find out if you're qualified for the SETC, the self-employed tax credit, which is actually a refund from the U.S. government. This is something that not a lot of people are aware of, and it's a lot of over the last 2 years, people have been focused more on the ERC, the Employment Retention Credit, for business owners. However, this is for specifically for people who file 1099s with their tax returns. So this is something that if you do file a 1099, make sure you pay close attention. And if not, if you're not someone who files a 1099, I still want you to watch this video because it's something that you can actually share with people that you may have family or friends or your inner circle, or people that you go to church with, or people that your coworkers that do have something on the side where they do file a 1099. And I'm going to share with you how you can also benefit from this program as well. Okay, so I have some exciting information to share with everybody. I'm going to go ahead and let's see here. I'm going to go up and pull up a screen here, and we're going to just talk about this real quick, and then I'm going to share with you a short video that gives like a general overview. The video is very short, and like I said, I wanted to keep this concise and within a short time frame, so that way you have all the pertinent information and you can actually get started today to find out if you yourself qualify for the SETC, or then again, also how you can share it with others who may know. Okay, so the self-employed tax credit is something that you might be eligible up to $32,220 for refunds from the years 2020 and 2021, which is the years the pandemic, the COVID virus and everything was affected everybody. So this is in addition to business owners who were able to file the ERC. So even if you filed the ERC, you still may be eligible for this as well. And it takes you anywhere from, like submit your claim in 20 minutes or less. From people that I've talked to that have actually done it, they say that it takes between 10 and 15 minutes. So it is something that is very easy to do. I have yet to do mine, so I apologize for that. But so with the SETC, it's a specialized tax credit from the American Rescue Plan Act designed to provide support to self-employed individuals during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, so this is something that everybody was impacted by the pandemic with the shutdowns and everything. So regardless of where you were, you're most likely, if you did file a 1099, you most likely do qualify for this. Okay, so it's something that the form and everything that you filled out is very easy to do. So what I want to do is I want to share a short video with everybody here, and this will actually kind of give you a nice general overview of what it's all about, and how the company that I'm sharing with you is this is through iHub Global, but they are working with a company called Gig Worker Solutions. And what's really nice about this is the difference between this and being able to filing it yourself is that with working with gig workers, you can get your refund in as little as 15 days. Whereas if you go through the normal process, it may take you 4 months or longer going through the normal process. So with this company, Gig Workers, they work to help you get your funding within 15 days or sooner. Okay, so or it could be 15 days. So what I want to do is I want to share this video, and if you have any questions while the video is going on, you can put that in the chat. But what I'm also going to do here is I'm going to put in the chat real quick my email address, which is rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org. That's the best email to reach out to me at. This is one that does not get inundated with junk mail. So if you want to reach out to me there, you can if you have any questions. And then also what I'm going to do is I'm going to share with you right after the video a link to where you can get started to see if you qualify. And then also if you are a person who does not file a 1099, I'll share with you a link where you could actually get started and be able to share this opportunity with other people as well. Okay, so let's go ahead and watch this video.
The pandemic hit us all hard, but especially hard hit were small businesses and the gig economy. Remember when you got sick or your family got sick and you couldn't work? Imagine if the government had set aside relief funds up to $32,200 for us as compensation for the financial burdens we felt during that time. Well, guess what? They did. But most people are not aware of this pandemic credit program. Seize this opportunity while it's within your reach. Enter the SETC, the Self-Employed Tax Credit, designed specifically for those with 1099 income whose business profitability was impacted by the pandemic. This isn't just any fund. It's money that was earmarked for each and every eligible self-employed individual. Only few people know about this, including many accountants who were never fully educated about the eligibility and benefits of the SETC program. Nearly 50 million Americans qualify for this credit, able to secure up to $32,200 in relief. Yet most are unaware it exists. Here's how it works. Step 1. Secure your credit. Our streamlined process helps you file for the SETC credit directly with the IRS. Step 2. Get your funds advanced in as little as 15 days. Through our trusted partners, you can access a cash advance on your expected credit amount, bypassing the usual IRS wait times that can take over 5 months. There are no upfront fees, no monthly payments, and your credit score won't hold you back. Plus, owing taxes back to the IRS doesn't disqualify you from the credit and will only make you unable to get the advance. Join the ranks of those in our gig community who've already claimed over $250 million. This refund isn't a bonus or a gift. It's your hard-earned money set aside for you. It belongs in your pocket, not gathering dust in IRS accounts. This ETC is a beacon of hope for the self-employed in challenging times, offering financial support to those who were sidelined during the pandemic. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Visit Gig Worker Solutions today and take the first step towards reclaiming what's rightfully yours. Because you deserve more than just to recover. You deserve to thrive.
Okay, so that was actually a nice, oops, what's going on here? Okay, so that was a nice concise video that kind of gave a nice general overview of what's all involved here. So what I want to do here is I'm also going to pull up let me get this back up here because I do want to share something with you. I'm sure there we go. Okay. So almost everyone with Schedule C income qualifies. Okay, so this is if you file for with a 1099 and you're doing your taxes. So this is for sole proprietors, 1099 contractors, freelancers, single member LLC. So if you're an entrepreneur, gig workers, and other self-employed workers. And like with this form, this is actually the exact link that you will. This is the actual landing page you will have when you go to find out if you're qualified. That I'm going to share with you here in a moment here with in the next screen. Okay, so it kind of goes over what it is, what it's all about. And, almost everybody with Schedule C income qualifies. Amidst the pandemic, millions grappled with COVID-related challenges, including illness, symptoms, quarantine. That's where everybody falls into with quarantine, testing, caregiving, and financial relief. If you found yourself in such situations where COVID impacted your ability to work, the SETC was designed to be your safety net, but it's not too late. Now, this is one thing. You can qualify up to $32,200 from both 2020 and 2021. Okay, so you can kind of go through this landing page when you go through the link that I'm going to share with you here in a moment, and then you can calculate and claim your credit now. Okay, so this is something that it's really beneficial to take advantage of this. So even if you're not 100% sure if you qualify for it, even if you owe taxes from those years, if you owe taxes from those both 2020 or either of those years, and even if you owe taxes, you can still qualify for this. You just may not be able to get the advanced funding for it, but you could still qualify for it. Okay, so I want to share another screen here, and this will show you. This is like my back office. Okay, so this is I still have to do my own here, claim your own SETC. But I'm going to put this. This is the link that you need to go to see if you qualify. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put this in the chat. Okay, so the link is claimsetcnow.com/r gigworkers.com/work smarter for you. So I'll go ahead and put that below this video in the comments section so you can check it out there. And then also, if you are not a 1099 worker or are not eligible for it yourself personally, but you want to share this opportunity with somebody else, you can actually share this opportunity with someone and still benefit from them, because not only you're sharing information with that a small, an entrepreneur or a self-employed person, but you can actually get with the gig workers, there is a fee. I'm not 100% sure what the fee is to get the advanced funding, but you would get a certain percentage of that fee. Okay, and so in order to share this opportunity, I'm going to go ahead and copy this one here and put it in the chat. And this one, it's very similar to the one I just shared. It's the claimsetcnow.com/a/work smarter for you. Now that one, what you would do in that is to be able to share with other people. Go ahead and click on that link, and then it'll actually create your free iHub Global account. And iHub is 100% free to take advantage of. You don't have to pay anything to be a member of iHub Global. It's they're one of the best companies out there as far as sharing opportunities with people to share different opportunities with others and earn passively in the process too. So this is what you're back after you would create your account. This is what it would look like. And this is what's really nice about this is whether you're claiming the self-employed tax credit yourself or you're sharing the opportunity, you can see everything along. Who's, where the status is of the applications that you've shared with people that have actually processed it or gone through the questionnaire and filled out the information. It'll show whether they filled out the questionnaire. They'll show whether or not they need to upload some information, or if it's under review, or how much was funded, and then also what the pending commission is. So you have all this information in your back office. That's why I highly encourage you to take advantage of this, whether or not you can claim the SETC yourself, but like I said, or if you know someone who can do it. Okay, like I said, we all have family, we all have friends and coworkers, or if you're working in a certain company, there's other people that you may know that do stuff on the side where they do have to file additional taxes. But then also you have your church organizations and everything as well too. So there's a lot of people out there that do not know about this. So I encourage you to take a look at it. And like I said, it doesn't cost you anything to find out if you qualify. It doesn't cost you anything to share with other people. But at the same time, by sharing this great information with other people, you can benefit from it in the process. So I hope you got some great information from this video. I enjoyed sharing this information with you. And if you have any questions, like I said, reach out to me at rick@silverandgoldsolutions.org. And I'll be more than happy to jump on a phone call or another Zoom or Skype call or something like that to chat with you about it and answer any questions as best as I can. But what's also nice too is both Gig Workers and iHub Global have support divisions too. So if you have any questions too, whether if it's something where you cannot possibly get a hold of me, by no means am I 100% know all the ins and outs about it, but I will do my best to answer any questions that you have. But then also you can reach out to Gig Workers as well and include it, and also to iHub Global. And they have a support division too, so they can be able to answer your questions as well. So I appreciate your time. Thank you very much for spending your evening with me. I wish everybody a happy and exciting month of May. It's a great month. 41 days in May. So there's 31 opportunities to share what you know and make a difference in other people's lives, and hopefully make a difference in your life in the process. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video. I'll have all the information in the comment section below here. I'm going to probably post this on YouTube and Rumble, and also send this out to the people on my email list. So I'll also put a link to subscribe to the email list if you would like to stay up to date on different videos and stuff that I share with everybody. So if you want to sign up for that, that would be great too. But make sure you go ahead and like and share this video with other people. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'll talk to you again soon. Take care.